supplementation, taking supplements. If there's something I have learned through my own experience, through my own observation of how my body, with a vegan diet, with a raw vegan diet, with a fruitarian diet, with everything I do, with everything I have tried out in my life, urine therapy, drinking distilled water, information that goes into my body, enters in me, has an influence in me, in my experience of life. What goes through my mouth, through my ears, through my eyes, through my thinking, all my perception. So if there's one thing that I have learned from observing myself for many years, is that the body doesn't need anything. The body is perfect. It's a perfect machine, and it's powered by energy, and this energy is who we truly are. This energy is who I truly am. This energy is my soul. It's a divine being. It's what creates all matter. It's this creative divine force. So everything I really need to take care of and worry about is that this energy keeps flowing uninterruptedly, without any blockages, in my body, through all my cells. So basically what I have to worry about or focus on is to not create any blockages, to not interfere with my actions, that my actions don't cause any interference, don't create any blockages for this energy to flow naturally the way it's supposed to flow in my body and through my body, shine out to the world outside, so it can manifest the best version of reality I can think of. So I can really live up to my full potential, that my soul, my own light is capable of. What this means, supplementation, taking supplements to cover any lack, because I am not eating the normal standard diet. It's non-existent. I don't need any supplementations. I only need to remove all the obstacles for this energy to do its work. And this energy is the one who is creating any elements it needs, my body needs. This energy is very intelligent. It's infinitely wise and intelligent. And it does its work perfectly. I don't need to worry about thinking, guiding it. I just need to sit down, relax, enjoy this experience of life. My soul is taken care of, driving, sitting on the drive seat, and I can just enjoy sitting on the back seat. And the only thing, as I said, I have to be very cautious of everything I put into my body, everything I do. I have to watch that all my actions don't cause any blockages, interference. And this means don't eat any food that is gonna poison my body, that is gonna be toxic, that is gonna leave toxic residues that are later very hard to remove. Any cooked food, anything that is not natural, in its natural state. For me, the best diet until now has been fruits. Fruits are the most natural in their raw state, the most loving, the most close to nature. They are nature. They are nature's manifestation of love. They are given in an act of unconditional love by the trees, by the plants. The plants are not being harmed if I pick them. They are just giving them out of their own wish, generously, to us or to the earth, or it's their act of love. Fruits, flowers, seeds, nuts, those are the least harmful foods, I would say. The ones that don't create any blockages in the system, in the body. And even I can go beyond that. I don't even need that. When my body is completely clean, there is total absence of hunger. I don't even need to eat anything anymore. I'm not yet at that state completely, because I still know that there are some blockages in my body, some toxins that need to come out. But the more I stick to a very clean diet of only fruits, avoiding all cooked foods, avoiding salt, avoiding anything that doesn't come from plants, from the plant world. Salt comes from the mineral world. It's not really suitable for my body, I have seen this. But it makes addictive. I'm still hooked, I'm still addicted to these flavors and certain foods, and I crave them. It doesn't mean that my body needs them. It just means that I am still addicted to them. I am slowly getting rid of this addiction by cleansing my body further. And the more I cleanse my body, the more I feel this energy flowing freely in me and doing the rest, doing all the work, taking care of creating the elements that my body needs. I don't need to worry about supplementing.
Don't ever let them change you. They don't know you like I do. Don't listen to a thing they say. They don't need you in the same way. Touch yourself.
I see it.
Get yourself.
I'm eating less and less,
Come alive.
and my hair is growing stronger and faster. My nails too. My teeth are looking healthier. My skin. My body is producing all the elements it needs, not because of the food I'm eating. It's because it's getting more pure, and there is more room for this energy, my soul's energy, to flow and do all the work. That's what I've learned so far.
Everybody, you gotta keep it real! Ah, keep it real! Mariah! 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 Hey! Ah! My girl!